Welcome to the Transfer Center at Irvine Valley College.
Transfer Center was there to give me advice if I needed it. I could go in and have an appointment with one of the transfer counselors.
My counselors helped me, and they also guided me with all the CSUs and UC requirements.
In addition to dedicated counselors, the Transfer Center hosts transfer fairs, where students can meet with representatives from many of the top transfer universities.
The road to transfer at first for me was very confusing. I saw these different agreements, and these schools have, so many different agreements, and it varies for major, and it can be really kind of confusing to figure out.
So the Transfer Center had a lot of different resources like workshops throughout the year, and especially in the fall semester when we're all working on our applications. And then the week of the application deadline, they also held drop-ins where you could just walk in and do a final review right before you click submit.
Opportunities to tour some of the local UC and Cal State campuses before making a transfer decision are also offered throughout the academic year.
They really guided me through my journey. All credit that I have goes to them for me reaching to Berkeley.
Overall, they took what was and started out to be a confusing experience and something I was really nervous about. And at the end of it, I felt very at peace, and when decision letters came out, I was beyond happy with the schools I got into.
For more information, visit ivc.edu/transfer-center.